Looking for alternatives to Midjourney for your AR generation needs? You're in right place. In this video, I'll introduce you to two fantastic free AR generators that offer unique features and capabilities, making them excellent substitutes for Midjourney. Ideogram AI is a generative AI tool that creates photorealistic images and artworks using AI with reliable typography within images. One of the unique features of Ideogram AI is its ability to generate images with text and incorporate them into really amazing logos as well. This is not easily possible on other tools like Midjourney or Daily, but this brand new AI image generator can do it in seconds for you. In most cases, the generated images will contain the exact text you typed without spelling errors. It's currently free to use, and you can sign up using your Google account. I'll put the link in the video description below. Once you are logged in, you're going to be greeted with this interface. The interface is nice, clean, and simple. These tabs are different ways to explore the images that have been created on the platform recent. This tab shows the most recently created images on Ideogram. The images are sorted by the date they were created, with the most recently created images appearing first. Trending, this tab shows the images that are currently popular on the platform. The images are sorted by the number of views they have received, with the most popular images appearing first. Following, this tab shows the images that have been created by people you follow. You can follow other users by clicking on the follow button on their profile page. Top, this tab shows the highest rated images on Ideogram. The images are sorted by the average rating they have received, with the highest rated images appearing first. Let me go ahead and show you how to use it. Right up here is where we describe what we want. You can create text within the images and some really nice looking designs. You can put anything in here. This is my prompt: Elon Musk smiling, holding a sign, subscribe to this channel. And then if you click on see all, there are different features you can select. I'll choose portrait photography, cinematic photo, poster, and typography. What we can also do is choose the aspect ratio. Here you can see different sizes. For this example, I'm going to use the 16:10 and then click on generate. It takes a few seconds to generate your images, and you're going to get 4 different types of images. As you can see, it can't always do the text that you've actually put in. Sometimes there's an extra letter, and sometimes it just completely messes it up, but then it also does create some really nice images. So look at this one: Elon Musk holding a sign, subscribe to this channel. This is awesome. If we just go back to the home page over here and then scroll down, you can actually use other people's prompts as a reference. Just click on the image and then you can use the prompt, or you can even remix other people's as well. Let's click on remix. Then we could change some keywords and click generate. We're going to get a similar style to that. Main one, as you can see, it looks pretty good. Everything that you generate is saved under your profile. Adobe Firefly, a generative AI system within the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, is currently available for free use. It is still in beta testing, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way creatives work. First, let's take a look at what their interface looks like. We have text to image. You can generate images from a detailed text description. Next is generative fill, using a brush to remove objects or paint in new ones from a text description, and text effect. This is something that majority cannot handle. We'll take a look at that as well. Okay, let's generate an image. Click on generate at the very bottom right here. You can actually enter your prompt. Here's my prompt: a cute little boy with long hair and blue eyes was walking her golden retriever in the forest. Okay, hit generate. It's generating 4 images here. We will go over some of the settings over here. We can change aspect ratio. Let's do portrait 3x for all, and it will generate images. Here you can see that it's on art by default. I'm going to change it to photo. It's generating images again. That looks great. And then it gives you styles to choose, and you can change color, lighting, and composition. So that's basically how the interface works. Let me show the text effect. To get started, down here, this is where you enter your prompt, or you can select any sample effect here. I'll choose this one, then enter your text and let it generate. Look at that, this is really cool. Midjourney is great, but Ideogram and Adobe Firefly offer unique free alternatives. Each has its own specialty, from hyper-realistic images to text-integrated designs. Give them a try and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.